EM Khonsing Rongpi tour 9 villages, urges for vaccination of all individuals. Good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in charge of medical, Khonsing Rongpi on Wednesday made a tour of 9 villages under Havarkehat constituency to create awareness and publicity on COVID vaccination and several free medical assistance launched by the government for people. Here is a report. The tour of villages was taken up by the medical EM with the aim of vaccination of all people as the COVID-19 still poses threats to country. During his visit, EM Rongpi urged upon all villagers to get themselves vaccinated to eliminate threats of spreading and getting infected by the virus, which has disrupted life of people across the country and globe. He also informed villagers that vaccination documents might become a mandatory official document for all citizens of the India in order to avail any services. Further, the medical EM also informed villagers of free eye treatment and eyeglasses for anyone who is 35 or above. In addition to this, the elected representative also informed that free medical checkup is available for anyone suffering from paralysis. During his visit, EM Rongpi also distributed free mosquito nets to the villagers.
Ini dak hedi ho ciru rong hang rong deli nang ki humris ke bang mane corona bur akram giko corona bur pen hedi kichpa jog jia fan sarkar pen vaccination ke pibomlo tame rong atok anu non anta mane vaccine ke endun de bang sigi ongla sidak arong sorfan sta meni lipini dak nang chuning ri si banglo je prabjin pen dak pan in tl piskulong eli tum corona vaccine kem biji sada kado kabera tumta nang pachitong dun edji basi dak ni likri nang chuning ri lo aya karang chuning ri lo pengke si awareness kem asota nang bilo the vaccine bang kadu kabet en ed nang gi adika vaccine en e pulutang de nonolom ke nohokle ke dam sitame akisundu asi nang litu machinel lamai dhom banili kadu karbi Anglong rar khanda ni chuning ring tu se kadu kabeta vaccine ken pen soni son thom lamben se ratum ke fere isi bangke vaccine en lotang de ingkan hini pen afi chiboy joi tang ho latai son no lapen ke vaccine en lotang de ek boche akrong long bisung kurum doi puta ane ke pa fere du sila soni alam sitame aho kali lake asi science scientist atum doctor atum bang sadlang agency la haya dawai bang ke bang keseng se kadu kabi Karbi Anglong ra phanta alahai lamparbo moha arjujira sarkar pen jitu nangkachu ningri banang pinkhat vaccine and et nangji polam si kadu kavita chidondun si vaccine ke endun eji bhasi nili rara pan chuningri
Harsing Rongpi from Havarkehat and Dirchuna Rongpi from Phuloni for Karbi Anglong Live. After the recent demise of Kolom Singh Kro, the former headman Rongmarjong in Dilai, a new village headman was ordained in a traditional Sarkachebat event held on Wednesday. Here is a report. The death of the old headman had necessitated a new person to be appointed to the post in order to look after the affairs of the village. As such, Hom Singh Kro, the eldest son of the former headman, was on Wednesday ordained the traditional post in the presence of several traditional heads of the village including Riso Basa, Phiranke, Klengsarpo, Klengsarpi, Klengdunpo, Klengdunpi, Maker and others. Hom Singh is the 5th generation headman of the village from his family, and Rongmarjong is one of the oldest villages in the neighborhood of Dilai. The Sarkachebat event was chaired by local leader Joy Singh Teron and attended as guest by KRAA CEC President Dhormo Teron, KRAA Borjan Area President Kehai Tokbi, KAC Chairman Longki Timung, SGB Hundor Bay, Bhagya Teron and GBs from 10 other villages. Speaking in the event, KRAA President Dhormo Teron said that a headman is the most important person in the village and traditionally his duties and responsibilities are also heavy. He extended his best wishes to the newly appointed headman and urged him to perform his duties sincerely. He also stated that in order to avoid any confusion in the future, it is advisable to hold a Sarkacheso or Sarkachebat ceremony, which officially declares a person as rightful headman. Lower Dilai SGB Sarthebe, under whose jurisdiction Rongmarjong falls, provided no objection certificate to the newly appointed headman. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. In a good news for the people of Bogijan area under the 25 Nilip MSC constituency, a common service center facility was dedicated on Wednesday. The center was inaugurated by Nilip Development Block Assistant Engineer Pranjit Naiding, during which an awareness program was also held. The common service center was inaugurated at the Bogijan Tea Garden area near Dokhora ME School. The inauguration program cum awareness program led by Nilip Digital Head Robert Tanti and was attended by Assam Tea Tribe Nilip Student Association leader Tarun Nayak, Secretary Sanjeev Kumar, among others. While speaking to the media, the Nilip Development Block Assistant Engineer informed that the Common Service Center is an initiative of the central government for the people of rural areas through which various services would be delivered to the poor people. He informed that e-Shramik card would now be obtained through this center for free. He said registration of e-Shramik card would be done at the center of Nilip area. While explaining the benefits of Shramik card for the card holders, Nilip Development Block Assistant Engineer Pranjit Naiding stated that on the event of any emergency times of disaster, any relief from the center would be processed through this card. Further, he informed that insurances cover for accidents, deaths, and others could also be availed through this card, and scholarships facilities could also be applied by the card holders for the children's school and college education.
আৰম্ভণি আমি কৰিলোঁ ই-শ্ৰম ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন আজিৰ পৰা বগিজান চাহ বাগিচাকে ধৰি গোটেই নীলিপ অঞ্চলত ই-শ্ৰমৰ ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন আৰম্ভ হ'ব আৰু ই-শ্ৰম ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন কোনে কোনে কৰিব পাৰিব ই-শ্ৰম ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন আমাৰ যিমান ডেইলি লেবাৰ্ছ আছে যিমান আমাৰ ডেইলি ৱৰ্কাৰ্ছ আছে কাৰ্পেণ্টাৰ্ছে হওক বা বাৰ্বাৰে হওক বা যিমান আমাৰ হাউচ হোল্ড ৱাইফছ হওক সকলোৱে এই ই-শ্ৰমৰ ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যনৰ সুবিধা ল'ব পাৰিব
তাৰিখ 22 ছেপ্টেম্বৰ 2021 আজি আমাৰ নীলিপ ব্লকৰ আণ্ডাৰত আমাৰ এটা কমন ফেচিলিটি সাৰ্ভিস সেন্টাৰ বুলি এটা অফিস সেটআপ হৈছে তাৰ ভিতৰত আজি এটো এটা ইনঅগ্ৰেশ্যন প্ৰগ্ৰাম হৈছে ইয়াত ইনঅগ্ৰেশ্যন অফ আমাৰ শ্ৰমিক কাৰ্ড ই-শ্ৰম বুলি কয় এটো শ্ৰমিক কাৰ্ড আমাৰ ইয়াত যিমান শ্ৰমিক বিলা আছে under Nilip block Shramik family bilar karone ami eta Shramik card to issue koribo.
Sonjit Crow's report from Chokiola for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Farmers Association Dongmukak Head Branch on Wednesday conducted day-long cleanliness program at a proposed site for Zonal Karbi Youth Festival at Rasinjaklam, Dongmukak on Wednesday. The drive was organized to spread the message of importance of hygiene and cleanliness very strongly among the villagers during the youth festival. The members who took part today at the premises painted tree trunks with limestone for beautification and safety. Moreover, the Farmer Association also urged upon the people of the area for their full support and active participation in the ensuing. The drive was led by its President Chongteron, Secretary Minarson Pangcho, and VP Sonsing Bey along with members. It may be mentioned that the Zonal Karbi Youth Festival would be held from 13th to 15th of October next month.
Tum Domoka Cafe Head Branch Pen Dak Rasinjaklam along Saini Kivit Asai Dengponlo. Aning kanwang aso nagtaksi peneng lethot anilitum puthot cherab untulo lasi non kevangyanta nilum cherab dunia fansi bori ponpo kadong.
Aning kanwang so tha peneng singkan lethos tame nilitum dak tekelangjun Rasinjaklam along Ingdeng ingkoi ranel cap hawar Karbi risunim suronga jelong nilitum pini Karbi Farmer Association ahin pe nilitum kecheng si nilitum kalar kipi saini kivit lahai saini tum deng ponlo lapen ke sonak thak sinitum aning kanwang kiwang hilang sengkanong sita minitum Karbi Farmer Association pe nitum chirabun bom chitudum bomji.
Samsing Ingti's report from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.